Okay, well, have a good day of enjoying your bicarbonate of soda while watching falling needles and your bacon. Bacon and soda while looking at needles. Yes, that's a day. After church. Not until you go to church. Miss Thunder TV, Miss Thunder. And that's the way it is. That is all the news that is fit to print. Or not even to print. That is all the news that was fit to read on the internet. Speaking of the New York Times and all the news that's fit to print, did you hear about this lawsuit that they have? OpenAI is being sued by the New York Times for copyright infringement. This could be a big deal. This could kill AI or embolden AI. If AI wins, they will be emboldened. If they lose, they will be severely crippled. I personally think that AI is going to win because AI is a new tool. We can't get around it. You can't fight progress. You can't fight City Hall. I can choose to use it or not. It can be regulated. Yeah, just like this. This is going to be all black. Oh, this is a foot. That's what happens when you zoom out. Let's do that again. Gotta make sure it looks like a foot. Later on, my wife wants to see Christmas lights. Stuffed pork chops are good. Stuffed pork chops. What do you stuff the pork chops with? Just had a chicken sausage. Things I would not have eaten if it was not the holidays, if it was not the holiday week. Holiday calories do not count. or rather, I do not count holiday calories. Because how calories don't count themselves. No one's gonna count these calories by themselves. These calories aren't gonna count themselves. That's how you say that. Not sure what's in the stuffed part of pork chops, but I can say each time I've had it, it was good. Excellent. Okay, let's see if this looks like. See if this looks like a foot. After I'm done with it. Getting closer. Let's put some light on that toenail instead of making it all dark. So I had this, my daughter for Christmas. Am I a Mac or a PC man? Both. I can PC for streaming. I've tried streaming with a Mac. It did not go well. So I got a gamer PC, a gaming PC. I'm using a Predator Helios Neo 16. And it's working well for streaming. But as for everyday computing, I'm fine using either one. Alright, let's see. This. It's digital, man. It's only digits. Oh yeah, that makes it pop out when the background is dark, and yeah, that light against the dark right there. Yeah, I meant to do that. I was originally a Mac person. Because that's what they used in my art classes. But then when I got out into the real world, I had to learn how to use PC as well as Mac. Using, for the most part, using a PC is similar to using the Mac, except for all those. At first, the software was not the same. Like, you couldn't get Word on a Mac for a long time. And then they allowed that to happen. They capitulated and said, okay. Probably showing how old I am. I'm not going to make that a straight line. Straight lines don't appear in nature. Right. I think that works. Looks like a foot. Where's his knee? Where did I put the knee? If you don't think it's challenging, inking, if you think that inking is just tracing on top of somebody else's lines, yes, in theory, I mean, generally, yes, you're right. But interpreting the lines that you've been given to know exactly what is going on there is an art in itself. These are lines that I drew myself, and I have difficulty figuring out what I meant to happen, and there's nobody for me to ask. I could ask myself, but I wouldn't get an answer. I just have to figure it out myself for the first time, for the,